Hello.
It's not behind the scene. Scripted.
Pagdali.
We are gonna sing and no reaction challenge, and this is our notes. And I hope you understand why we are so crazy. And we gonna sing in 1, 2, 3, go. We were playing in the sun, and you found a little bud. You told me you fall in love with it. I cannot sabihin when you had to bid adieu. Said you never loved me. Ayaw, nililit na. Sige, take 2.
Take 2.
No reaction challenge, and this is the take 3, and this is our notes, and we gonna sing, and this guy gonna ukulele, and I hope you understand why we are so crazy and dumb. And let's start in 1, 2, 3. We were playing in the sun, and you found a little bud. You told me you fell in love with it. How can I pretend when you had to be the dude? Said you never loved you. I were
No. Again.
Okay. I wonder if I could.
Pagdali.
Hindi pagkatawa. Ay, tama. I wonder if I could hold the hand on in love with it too.
We are doing another part of the okay? Pero
I'm
go
gonna
as-
sing, and Angel gonna ukulele this. She gonna do this, and
now. No, Dar. I'm sorry.
we gonna do.
Taro, the bread. Good job.
I think this is Gago. She gonna eat. We are gonna sing na. Angel. We're gonna sing, and I'm gonna intro. Hi, I'm Lian.
And I am Angel.
We are Bini. And
Baka.
we're gonna sing. Hi, I'm Lian. Hi, I'm Lian.
Hi, I'm Angel. Who is that?
Ayaw mag-fly. Hi, I'm Lian.
Hi, I'm Angel.
We are Bini. We are gonna sing, and Angel gonna ukulele, and this is our notes, and we are gonna sing now because this is so many videos.
Bye na ako.
Because we are back. Ato lang tong i-edit, Angel.
Okay.
And we gonna sing na. Dapat anak mo pa.
Ay, naku. Okay.
We gonna sing na, and get your fucking ukulele. And this is our note, and yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Manata intro. We were playing in the sun, and you found a little one. You told me you fell in love with it. I cannot attitude. Said you never love you. I wonder if I could love you. I wonder if I could hold it and fall in love with it too. Thank you for watching. We are Beanie.
Ay, excuse me.
Baby girl, look at me.
Picture ba? Stop. Stand up. Okay. Hi guys, we are going to buy and food. Okay? Okay, let's go.
Dira sana ibilin. Ay, mana ta. Bye-bye. Tapos mana ta. Tapos mubalik dayon ta.
Kabro, nag-video pa nino?
Ay, nako. Sige, okay lang. Bye-bye. Atik-atik paggawas ta. Labas na. Dari lang.
Sinasabi ko,
Ay, sige, wait lang.
Goodbye.
iniisip ko pa rin yon sa tuwing makakabasa o makakapanood ako ng mga horror. Kaya naisipan ko pong i-share ang karanasan kong ito sa ating mga kapasta.
Kapasta?
Ano din sa taas?
Uy, yung white lagi ni siya. Oh,
Ay, dari ta. Hindi dara ang tag. Ay, ang tag dara. Ay, dari ang tag.
oh para mustahan. Asa? Asa ba na yun? Gunit sa good.
Pakita na ko kung saan ka mag-ano. Ay, naka-open man din. Lalo.
We're gonna eat is what we buy. I eating chocomocho.
Look guys, look.
Prepare.
Guess what I'm gonna eat.
Pagkaon.
This.
There are many food in the world. Wala ka juice? Ikaw palit sa ako. Wala ka.
Wala sang galit tag kwarta.
Nahulog na ako.
Ano lagi na mo white?
Hmm?
White na itong background mo. Tagla sa heaven.
Ay.
I'm eating plastic.
Kaya lamig ng ganang plastic. Nakaano ba na ng plastic sa una?
Diba, alas stress din sila mama.
Be quiet and speak in English.
Yeah. I know my parents gonna...
Never mind.
Ayan niya ipog ta.
Stretch. What if i-post na ako?
One part it lang ka. Ah? Yan kita di mo?
English lagi?
I have a bumper teeth.
The screen is full with your face. Look at me. Da. You stop showing your foot. You stop it.
Hi, we are mukbang
We
video.
are driving.
We're gonna do mukbang video with my brother. Hey brother, what are you eating? May kups ka doon na?
Same road sikad. What do you mean sikadon? Kadon is barbecue.
Ah.
May tao sa kong likod.
to? Kana? Kana? My brother eating chocomocho. Hey brother, rate that chocomocho.
Where's your mouth?
Yang mukbang ya, ipakita ang baba.
Flat.
My brother showing hair food. My cousin. Boy cousin. It's a prank!
You scare me. Meow 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 meow.
Ano mo yung ganyan?
Kaduwag. Kaduwag din mo.
Yes, brother. It's a prank!
Stop. Meow 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 meow. Ganahan ko sa sound. Ganahan ko sa sound.
Nulog kita.
Ano din?
Pagkita lang tanong sa video. I'm eating her food. I'm eating his food. I'm eating his food. I'm eating my finger with cheese. I have a nail, so I'm gonna.
Do not let that fall. Will you throw away?
But we are gonna. I'm gonna wash my hand.
Hey guys, Aterian is going back, coming here right now. Now, okay, we're done eating.
You saw.
Sakot lang, sakot!
Ay, makita, manggapon ka. Diba guys? Do you see this? My brother? My brother hit me. My brother? Oh, look, my brother. My brother kumot my buhok. Why you kumot my buhok? Little boy.
I am sorry.
Mali!
Oh,
Ayaw mo ba dito sa kwarto?
nasa nag-hello dyan siya.
Hello?
Bagang
Nag-hi siya. Ako ang nag-hello.
nga naman.
Kasi ma-offend siya.
Sige, katanaw siya.
Siyempre, si Tanaw. Lagi siya sa video. Diba guys, right?
Makita na ko light. Oh, correct.
Boom, boom. Hi guys, look. Ay, mag-ano ta, pag...
Meow, meow.
Ay!
Ay!
Pipi, uy, no.
Baby eye.
Pipi,
Before, there was a person here named Baby.
Pipi, pipi, pipi.
Jingle bells, Barney Isabel. Get away from me.
Stop. Gunit my hair. You're not Ken to hold my hair. Stop holding my hair. Only Ken can hold my hair.
Bayot mo to siya.
You have no respect to my crush. She's not bayot.
He no crush you. He think of you as a friend because he is...
Uy, ganahan kayo ko niya.
na
Si
yun siya.
crush back me.
Did he say that?
Low-key lang may kaya naman may enemy. Two-timer may pero ayun eh, isa ba? Ba guys?
Hingon daw na ko siya.
Ingon dito kay Rose do.
Okay.
Gara-gara.
Barney Isabel.
Hi guys, I'm going to heaven.
Whee! Dalawang mirror. Oh my god.
Ay,
Can I part? No.
I'm hard. Guys, baho kayo. Nananay tayo.
Wala ko.
Stop hitting me. I'm eating my nails.
You have no name.
Get the fuck your foot. I'm gonna kick your foot out in here. Huh? You don't know who I am? I'm gonna kick your ass. Yeah, that was a street English and Angel cannot do that.
Do you know that my school is full of English, Sharon?
Next question.
There is very American.
Next question.
American.
Can you open this? It's a prank.
May kwarta.
Hala, Angel!
Wala lang ko. Tanaw lang ko.